Hey guys, it's Coach D at D Model Phase, a model training company based in Atlanta, Georgia, where we also provide virtual training courses if you are not local to Atlanta. And it's Tuesday, so you know we're bringing you a Tuesday tip, and today's topic is preparedness. And I just want to talk about how important it is to be prepared and why it relates to you as a model. So, a quote I ran across: if you fail to prepare, then you prepare to fail. Think back to the first day of school. You have your best outfit laid out down to your socks and shoes, alarm clock set, crisp paper in your book bag, sharpened number 2 pencils. You're ready for success. You walk into class with a high level of confidence because you know the amount of time and energy you've spent into preparing for your first day of school. Well, I need you to have that same energy prior to shoot day or a model casting call. When you're prepared, your confidence is higher, and studies show the more prepared you are, your chances of experiencing anxiety and fear decrease. We want you to walk into any room prepared to steal the show, and you will. Sign up today by emailing us at dmodelphase@gmail.com and start preparing your future as a professional model. We look forward to having you and helping you be bold on your model pursuit.